here we come to the end of my album, and although it was a sad one, I refused to end this album on an unhappy note. So I got into the studio, and I already had the title of this next song in my head. And I got in the studio with Howard and Jimmy Napes, Howard from Disclosure and Jimmy Napes, and I basically said to the guys, I want this song to be a love letter to my first boyfriend, whoever he may be. So I hope you like this. This is called Make It To Me. And I'm going to get some help singing this right now from these lovely